Hey everybody, this is Evan with HBI Auto. Today I'm going to go over the Y-pipe issue on all the V6 turbo Macans and Cayennes. This is a common problem. I'm literally seeing these 3 or 4 a week right now. It seems like the cold weather is really starting to impact it. So basically what's going on is there's a coolant pipe, a plastic coolant pipe that runs from one head to the other head and back underneath the intake manifold to the backside of the engine. Porsche calls it a coolant vent line. And it's a plastic piece that over time, that heat makes it plastic brittle and they pop. It looks like the cold weather snap here has really caused some reason, maybe it's something with the plastic that's caused them just to start left and right popping. And when it happens and you're shut down. It blows coolant everywhere. The car is not able to be driven and it has to get towed into the shop. So this car is a 17 Cayenne GTS. The Macans are a little bit less going on here, but you can still see it's this plastic line right here that goes over top and shoots down, goes to that head, over here, goes to this head, goes back underneath all this stuff and underneath this pump to the back of the engine. So this came off of the car yesterday. They fall apart, you take them off. Where they're failing at mainly are where this plastic is crimped on here, and this is the part that bolts into the head on either side. And you'll see them right here usually pop a hole, and that's where they'll spray coolant out of. Here's a new one, for instance. So you can see it's pretty flexible, malleable, and you can get in there. This one is hard as a rock, and you can see right there, I just barely touch it. So right now, the only option is to replace it with another factory pipe. We're currently working on a new solution to make these out of aluminum. It's in the works right now. Hopefully I have that out soon. There's a company that makes them for the V8s out of stainless steel. They work well. The only issue with the stainless steel ones are stainless steel is incredibly hard, and to get them to fit in there and be able to, because you need to kind of bend the pipe a little bit to get it to go in, and the fitment's got to be spot on. But with that stainless steel, it makes it really, really rigid, and it's pretty kind of tough to get in there and fit right. So we're trying to figure out a solution for the V6 models to where it's going to be easier to put in there and be a permanent fix instead of having, because this is going to fail again. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you, say that you do this one time, you're good, because it's going to fail again. We're going to have to be replacing it, down the road some more. But these cars are starting to get aged on them, so we're going to start seeing more and more of these nuances with these cars. And like I said, I'm seeing multiple a week, to where I'm just stocking these right now. So hopefully solutions in the near future where we can do it one time, be done with it. We can sell it to you guys if y'all want to take on the job yourself. When you're looking at buying one of these cars, or you own one of these cars, the Macans and Cayennes, anything with that V6 turbo, take a look at this Y-pipe. I'm gonna start recommending replacing them as a maintenance item, because it's one of those things that when it fails, like I said, you can't drive the car. So if this hasn't been replaced on your vehicle yet, get it done. Go ahead and replace it now. That way you don't have to worry about it in the future or worry about breaking down, because it will fail 100%. Keep you guys posted on our progress on making an actual solution for this. If you have any questions about this job or looking to get this job done, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to take care of it for you. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.